I don't accept this. What's good, Tia? Look at this. This is a COVID belly right here. It's so hot in this thing. Which I should have realized, but today on the Gloggles channel we're building a frog tankulus, designed and manufactured by Geonworks. Is this the dumbest costume I've bought so far? Yes, but if we're doing a frog themed build, I have to truly understand my belly. You can see my belly is protruding. What it meant to be a frog. And so this keyboard build will be frog themed, whilst I try to survive in this frog suit. Okay, it's getting extremely hot. Oh my goodness. We're starting off with some PCB screw-in stabilizers I got from kbdfans. I lubed them up with a bit of a 205 grade 0, if you know what I mean. And by that I mean just regular Krytox 205. What did I say? Okay, heat check. Bro, I am melting. This was funny like 10 minutes ago. No, it's still pretty funny. After paying careful attention to the stabilizers, I screwed them into the PCB. Now, we are using the very tactile Kinetic Lab Salmons because frogs eat fish and salmon is a fish, which I actually assumed. Do frogs actually eat fish or... After testing the stabilizers for rattle, it was time to put the switches into the plate. This is a 5000 series aluminium plate. It's got a lot of flex cuts and some atypical cutouts in places like the F-row, but honestly with the hot swap PCB I had no issues putting the switches in. Right, how am I doing? Okay, I really need to pee and I can't pee and I'm starting to worry. And after I checked all the switches worked, it was time to reassemble the keyboard. But before that I had to admire the beautiful two-piece brass weight that the frog has. It's nice. Quite fittingly, the frog tankulus uses tadpole mount. This means that the PCB and plate are fixed into the top of the case via these silicone pins, or tadpoles. And for this particular build I went for the 50A softer tadpoles. You might be wondering, so the keyboard is called the frog tankulus, but I'm not really seeing how it's frog themed. Whoa. The frog that I have actually modelled this build after is none other than the crazy frog. For this reason I have went with some blank keycaps for the eyeballs, and GMK Godspeed Columbia for the rest of the body. And for the finishing touches, number 1, these very cool but very extra injection molded feet, and number 2, this £2 packet of stickers I found on Amazon to be the greenest eyes for the craziest frog around. I think the frog is decent. It's well machined, the front lip and side profile are gorgeous, and I like how my configuration feels and sounds, even though it feels exactly the same as top mount. But at $325 for the case and PCB, with boards like the KBD-AX Mark II, the Monster Gear K80, the UTD-360C, I just think it's alright.